How to invite someone on Basecamp. Let's start. Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how we can easily add teammates or teammates, how we can add members and also clients on Basecamp. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on marketing or whatever team you got, or create a new one, and then you will find here invite some people. It's really easy and really simple in my opinion. So you got a people on team and you want to just click add people. And who do you want to add? You just name email, name, title, and email, and then just you click preview this email, and voila, you got it. And then you just send it, and they will get the email and they can join you. So, and when you will have it, you can easily add members here, but also how you can add clients. This is the second question, right? So you want to click here on whatever project you got, and then you want to click on invite some people and add people. And when you click on add people, you'll find it here. You can invite client or team members. So click here on client. Which client is this project with? Let's write the company name here. Yeah, again, Javelry. And when you got it, whatever, you again write your name, email, title, and then just personal note, and you can preview the email and send now. And then you can also invite clients. So this is the way how we can invite clients and how we can invite members to Basecamp. Thank you very much everybody for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I will be really thankful for it. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya guys. Goodbye.